Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to get to your assignments on Big Ideas. My screen will look a little bit different than yours just because I'm going to be on the teacher version of Big Ideas and you will be on the student version. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Clever, which you should all know how to do. If you go to Google Chrome, there's usually a little C button right at the top up here that you can click on to bring you to Clever. You're going to click on Big Ideas Math. So the same thing you do to get to Skills Trainer. Once you click on it, just give it a second to load. So again, my screen looks a little bit different than yours. You should have like a book or something right here. I think you might have a screen where it shows your assignments that you have currently. If you cannot find it, there's the three little bars that we call the hamburger up at the top. So you can go ahead and click on that. You have less options than I do, but there should be an option that says assignments, and you can go ahead and click on that. And then obviously this part's going to look a lot different, but you should have your assignments listed that you need to do. So that is how you get to your assignments on Big Ideas.